A long time ago, there was a wise Zen master. People would come from distant places to ask for his guidance. In exchange, he would teach them and lead them on the path to enlightenment. One day, a knowledgeable university professor, skilled in many aspects of life, but knowing very little about Zen, paid a visit to the master and said,
"I've heard that you're a widely respected Zen master. I'm eager to learn about Zen from you, venerable sir."
They both took a seat at the table and started to have a conversation. But before long, it was clear that the professor was very confident in his own ideas and knew a lot about many things. He interrupted the master repeatedly with his own stories, opinions, and knowledge, and failed to listen to what the master was trying to share. So, in a calm manner, the master kindly suggested they take a break and enjoy a cup of tea together. The master poured hot tea into a cup. The cup filled up, but he didn't stop pouring. Tea spilled onto the table, then the floor, and finally onto the professor's clothes. The professor exclaimed,
"Stop! The cup is full already, can't you see?"
Exactly.
The Zen master replied with a smile.
Like this cup, you are filled with your own ideas, opinions, knowledge, assertions, and quotations, leaving no space for anything new. How can I show you Zen unless you first empty your cup?
Upon hearing the Zen master's words, the professor took a deep breath and nodded in understanding. He felt the weight of his own knowledge and opinions, realizing how they had limited his perspective. With humility, he thanked the master for the valuable lesson. Having seen the error of his ways, he resolved to approach life with a beginner's mind, open to the richness of the unknown, and to avoid becoming too professional. The Zen master smiled warmly, appreciating the professor's willingness to learn. He continued to guide the professor on the path to enlightenment, helping him embrace the wisdom of an empty mind, like that of a beginner, ready to explore the boundless realms of knowledge and insight. Together, they sipped their tea in silence, sharing a moment of profound understanding that would mark the professor's transformation on his journey to true wisdom and enlightenment. The Dalai Lama once said, "When you talk, you're just saying what you already know. But if you listen, you could discover something new." In life, the biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand. We listen to reply. Even though you might have a lot to say, sometimes it's best not to respond. In silence, without distractions, that's when people feel respected and appreciated the most. When we engage in conversations like meetings or discussions, we often focus on sharing what we think and feel, and that is perfectly normal and important to do so, because it helps us communicate. However, sometimes we forget to listen as much as we talk, or we only want to hear things that agree with what we already think we know. That can cause problems because we miss out on learning from different points of view or understanding other people's feelings. The solution is to practice active listening, which means paying attention to what others are saying without interrupting or thinking about what you want to say next. Try to understand their perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Ask questions to clarify or learn more about their point of view. By being open-minded and respectful during conversations, you can create a space where everyone feels heard and understood, leading to better communication and stronger relationships. This is Dharma Stories. Thank you for watching.